Assalamu alaikum, you're welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make this lovely 2-in-1 niqab. This is the first look without the rope. You can easily style this 2-in-1 niqab in any way you like. I'll be making a tutorial on different ways you can style it. If you are new here, do ensure to subscribe, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. I sincerely appreciate you guys a lot. Do ensure to leave a comment and like my videos. Let's get started. To make the one layer niqab, I'll be using this fabric, which is on fold. It is 8 inches on fold. So this is the length of the niqab, which is 16.8 inches. So I'll hem the niqab all around, while this will be the rope, which is 2 inches wide and 60 inches long. So I'll hem everything, and this is what I have after doing that. So now I'll be stitching the rope to the niqab like this. Do ensure to like my videos and leave a comment. So this is what you have after stitching the rope. Your one layer niqab is ready. To make the 2-in-1 niqab, I'll be using this fabric, which is 8.5 inches, while the length of the fabric is 14 inches. I'll be managing this fabric. I'll join one side of the niqab to get the actual width we are working with. So the length of the niqab is 14 inches and it's on fold. So I'll measure, remember I'm using the same weight, which is 8.5. So I'll measure 14 inches on this, which is the length of the niqab, on the remaining fabric, and cut. So this is what you have after doing that. I'll be folding this particular one into two and cut, which I'll be joining it on the front and the back of the niqab. So the joining will be at the one side of the niqab. So in total, the width of the niqab here is 18 inches. By the time you hem it, you join this one to the front and the back as well. You'll be having 17 inches for the width, one width for seam allowance. So I joined the attachment to the front and the back of the Niqab as seen. When you're making yours, you don't need to do this. I was actually managing the fabric, that's why. Do ensure to check back every Saturday for new videos. If there is any tutorial illustration you would like us to do for you, do ensure to state it in the comment section, and to join our WhatsApp group you can just say I in the comment section. So our front and back of Niqab is ready. This is what you have when you open this up. So this is what you have. Right side facing each other. So I'll run a seam all around to this point. This is the rope of the Niqab. Remember, we're making the 2-in-1 Niqab now. I used the 8.5 inches for the width of the rope, and it's unfold now as you can see, while the length of the rope is 32 inches. So this is what you have. Okay, to reduce the width of the rope, I measured 7.5 inches. Remember, I said the width of the fabric is 8.5 inches. So I feel it will be too wide for the rope, and I'm reducing 1.5 inches from it. So I'll connect and cut out. So this part I'm cutting out will be the one I'll use for the rope. The rope I will use to tie the body of the Niqab. Do ensure to leave a comment and like my videos. So this is what you have when you open this up. Now just hem it all through. If this is your first time here, do ensure to subscribe to my channel, and do check back every Saturdays for new videos. Ensure to hem it neatly. to have a very neat work. If there is anything you do not understand in the tutorial, do ensure to leave a comment. I'll try as much as possible to reply your comments. So this is what you have after doing that. So I'll fold it into two and divide it. So each of the rope will be on each side of the niqab. So remember, I will aim the body of the niqab all around. So I'll start by inserting the rope. By inserting the rope like this, after running your seam all through, the rope will automatically be on the right side of the niqab and the seam will be inseam. So I'll repeat the same thing on the other side as well. So this is what you have after doing that. Now run the seam all round. Do ensure to like my videos and leave a comment. And if this is your first time here, do ensure to subscribe and check back on every Saturdays for new video. So the body of the niqab, you can decide to make it one layer instead of the double. If you make it one layer, if you make it double, it's all the same. The fabric I'm using is crepe. So if you are using crepe to make your niqab, I will advise you make it one layer so that you'll be able to breathe easily. I'm only making use of the crepe and doing the double niqab so that we'll learn how to do the double and the single part of the single niqab. So if you are making it for use, I advise you make it just one layer. So this is what you have after running your seam, and I'll turn it to the right side. This is what you have. So I'll hem this part like this, folding it inside. Do ensure to run your seam at the extreme edge to have a very neat work. This is what you have after doing that. So the body of the niqab is ready, which you can also decide to style on its own. And you can see how the attachment appears. So this is the niqab band or rope or tie back rope. So I folded it right side facing inside and I will just run the same all around. You can decide to make your band not as wide as this. It's all your choice. If you find this video interesting, do ensure to comment and share it with your loved ones. And do ensure to subscribe to my channel and check back every Saturday for new tutorials. So I'll be turning the niqab to the right side, the band, through this opening. So you can decide to stitch the opening and you can decide to leave it since it's very small and it's not obvious. But I'll stitch mine to close it up. I hope you love this tutorial. Do ensure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you in my next video.